How are you?
I'm happy.
Good. How old are you, Cherry?
I'm 8 years old.
Very good. Today we will start our speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Let's start with the vocabulary words. Can you tell me what is this?
This is a snake.
Faster.
This is a turtle.
Can you say it again? This is. This is
This is.
a turtle. Next. This
This
is a
a dog.
dog. Next.
This is a bird.
Very nice. What is that?
That is a.
That is.
That
That is.
That is a desk.
Good.
That is a
Is.
board.
Is. That is.
That is a board.
That is a board. Good. Next, let's move on. What is this?
This is a computer.
Computer. Next.
This is a trash can.
Trash can. Very good. Now what can you do?
I can juggle.
Good. What can you do?
I can skateboard.
Perfect. Good. Now let's move on to name and sound. Ready? Go. Letter.
Letter I sound E.
Iguana.
Iguana.
Can you do like this? Letter I sounds E. Iguana. Okay? Letter I sounds E. Iguana. Do not say iguana. Okay? Next, letter A. Ant. Good. Next, letter. Letter N. Sounds. Notebook. Do not say no. Okay? Just letter N sounds notebook. Okay? Letter L sounds light. Notebook. Good. Next, letter Z. Sounds not Z.